Find a magnetic field at a point outside the toroid. Let this point be Q, and this Q is radius. Let us consider radius be capital R, radius be capital R, or can be considered as capital R1. Okay, and this radius is greater than R1 as well as R2, and we have to find magnetic field here. So again we will draw an amperial loop, and let this be the amperial loop. You can see a dotted bigger circle, and we will again use the same formula. So at point Q I am using this space to draw to calculate magnetic field. So loop integral of B del L is equal to mu naught into I. I is the total current. I is the total current. Since every point on this periphery is at a fixed distance from this toroid, so B is fixed on this periphery of this circle having radius R1. Clear? So B is fixed. So we can, if B is constant, we can bring it out of the integration sign. So B is out of integration sign. Loop integral of del L is equal to mu naught into total current, and total current you can see here. Total current means current. This amperial loop is enclosing two kind of current. One is going up and one is going down. Again going up, going down. So number of current going up is equal to number of current going down. So your total current in that case is going to be 0. If you consider the current going up positive, you have to consider the current going down as negative. So it the total current which is coming up in this toroid inside the amperian loop is equal to the total current going down. So your net current is going to be 0. So your net current is going to be 0. So B into if you integrate take loop integral of del L, it is going to be 2 pi into R1. So B into 2 pi into R1, R1 being the radius of this amperial loop, and this is equal to mu naught into 0. Mu naught into 0 is 0. So your B is equal to mu naught, that is 0 divided by 2 pi R1, and your B is going to be equal to 0. So any point outside this toroid having a magnetic field equal to 0 Tesla. So magnetic field is going to be 0. So outside the toroid magnetic field is 0. Now inside the toroid, that means at a point here, let this point be X, and we need to find magnetic field here with, and if you consider a radius R2, is this radius R2 is even less than R1, that is the inner radius of the toroid. So if you need to find magnetic field at this point X, let's see what is the magnetic field at the point X, and which X is inside the toroid. Inside the toroid means not between the external radius or internal radius. It is even lesser than the point which is at located at a point whose distance from the center is even less than R1, small r1, and it, if we consider this distance is R2, this R2 distance from the center of the toroid, this is the center of the toroid, this annular part, then this length is R2, and this R2 is even less than the inner radius of the toroid. Okay, and we need to find magnetic field here, and we will use this space to find the magnetic field. Again we will do draw an amperial loop here. This is the amperial loop, and B dot del L, loop integral of B dot del L is equal to mu naught into total current I. Total current I. Every point B is constant, and So B will be out of the integration sign, and loop integral of del L is equal to mu naught. And how much current this ampere loop is holding? Inside the ampere loop you will find no current. So net current is 0 inside the ampere loop. So I should be 0. So whatever the value of del L, it is going to be B del L, it is going to be 2 pi R2. R2 I have taken the radius. So it is going to be 2 pi R2, and should be mu naught into 0, it is going to be 0. So B is also equal to 0 here. So a point which is inside the toroid, that means which is located at a point whose distance from the center of this annular structure, whose distance is less than the inner radius of the toroid, there also the magnetic field is 0. So magnetic field at this point is 0, magnetic field outside the toroid is 0, but inside the toroid it is mu naught Ni. Inside the toroid, what we saw, the magnetic field is mu naught Ni. Okay, so this is all about your toroid.